Today we will be talking about preventing and treating COVID-19. The first question I would like to try to answer is whether COVID-19 can be prevented. And the answer is yes, to some extent you can protect yourself from catching the virus. It spreads with droplets of spit and snot, so to avoid the virus, avoid spit and snot. The way the disease spreads is by breathing in close proximity of infected individuals, by touching contaminated objects, or by touching hands that have been used to block a sneeze or a bout of cough. To avoid catching COVID-19, keep a distance of at least a meter, preferably more, from other people. Do not touch your face, eyes, or mouth after having touched dirty objects, as this will allow the virus to get into your body. And finally, wash your hands frequently with soap or alcohol. Now on to another question. Do face masks help? While a mask doesn't allow for 100% protection, it does to some extent block spit and snot from other people and yourself, thereby decreasing the risk of infection. Also, it depends on the type of mask. Some offer better protection than others. Another important question is whether there is a vaccine for COVID-19. Many different companies are racing to develop a vaccine. However, it would most likely take many months, probably 18, until it is ready to be used. Now back to COVID-19, however. Based on experience with SARS and MERS, scientists at the University of Pittsburgh have developed a potential candidate, which is a protein vaccine. The vaccine will not be available for a while. This is because it has to be tested first. There are 4 phases of a pharmaceutical trial. The first phase checks effectivity and safety. The second phase tries to figure out the right dose. In the third phase, the vaccine is tested on a larger scale. The fourth phase takes place after licensing and consists of continued monitoring for adverse effects. The next important question is whether there is any treatment for COVID-19. Well, the answer is that no. At the moment, all treatments are supportive, and we do not know whether the existing drugs could be helpful. The WHO has created a drug trial to test which existing drugs could be useful against the virus. The trial is called Solidarity. They decided to test 4 existing drugs. Remdesivir is a new antiviral drug that was originally developed to treat Ebola. When tested in Ebola patients, it was not super effective. Chloroquine is a drug against malaria. Scientists have tried to use it against viruses before, however with little success so far. But who knows, maybe it will do the trick with COVID-19. Lopinavir and ritonavir are drugs that are used against HIV because they block viral replication. They have been tested for the treatment of COVID-19 in a small trial in China, but they did not seem to have any effect then. Lopinavir and ritonavir could also be combined with interferon gamma, a molecule that regulates inflammation. This could strengthen the immune system, but could also lead to an increase in inflammation, which is not so good. To summarize, how do we protect ourselves from COVID-19? Hygiene is the best prevention. A vaccine is not yet available, but scientists are working on it. And sadly, there is currently no treatment against the disease. That's all. Stay at home, stay safe.